All right, job seekers, listen up. If you've been dreaming about landing a high-paying job at a top multinational company, then you need to hear about Nucot. Nucot is a software company that's making waves by offering incredible training in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. What sets Nucot apart? It's their focus on real-world applications and hands-on learning. You won't just be sitting through boring lectures. No, at Nucot, you'll be diving into projects that mimic the challenges you'll face in the job market. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what some of their trainees have to say. Nucot's training was a game changer for me. Thanks to their AI and MEL courses, I landed a job at a top MNC with a salary I'd only dreamed of. Before Nucot, I was struggling to break into the industry. Their comprehensive curriculum and supportive mentors made all the difference. Now I'm working at a leading tech company with a fantastic package. And it's not just about the learning. Nucot's placement support is top-notch. They have strong ties with some of the biggest names in the industry, ensuring that their graduates get noticed. Imagine this. You walk into an interview armed with cutting-edge skills and a portfolio of impressive projects. Your confidence is soaring because you know you're backed by the best training in the business. That's the Nucot difference. So if you're serious about taking your career to the next level, don't miss out. Check out Nucot's training programs today and start your journey towards a brighter future. And remember, the job market is competitive, but with Nucot, you'll have the edge you need to stand out and succeed. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your job hunt. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more career tips and opportunities. See you next time.